Hi, we are at the Bufori factory in KL, and we are here to visit Felix and have a factory tour to look at our EViE project, which is Electric Vehicle in Education. And KTJ is taking part in this project with 8 other schools, making us in the 9th school to take part. And we are very excited to come here today to meet with Felix and to work together with Felix and to build our cars and introduce this to our students.
Welcome to Bufori, Suresh. We are happy to see that you're so excited about the EViE project. We are also very excited to be part of that, and let's have a look at the factory. So what you see here is actually one of our prototypes, and we use this to show you the body of the car. This is for another school, actually, these colors, but it actually shows you how the 6 pieces are mounting here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's a 7th piece in the front, which is the crash box here, which is not on here yet. What is interesting is that they can all be very easily disassembled. The car itself is inspired by 1950s, 1960s race cars, Le Mans cars. So you have this very classic line which looks stylish and a bit nostalgic also. You have the safety harness, of course. You have a beautiful carbon Kevlar floor and a carbon Kevlar instrument cluster. Then you have a beautiful pedal box that can be used. I'm not sure if you can open this here. This is the adjustable pedal box here that can go up and down a couple of notches. Yeah.
So that's movable.
That's fixed, and this is movable. Yeah. And then you have a 3D printed pedal, or 2 pedals actually, accelerator and brake.
Right.
Yeah. Only one right now in there. Proper steering column and proper steering rack is correct. You have the A-arm suspension in the front, so it's like a double wishbone, which can be fully adjusted. So there will be also some learning in that part of the car. So the students will be able to set it to their own specification. So there will be lots of little topics that can be discussed with the students and the teachers, and will leave a lot of room for learning.
So this is for KTJ?
Yes, correct. So this is the first frame that we're building for KTJ. It actually sits on this welding table, which is a very advanced tool to fabricate very consistent chassis from one to another. So you can already see at the bottom there is the first sections of stainless steel, which is aligned to form the bottom of the frame. Something interesting to see is also that the frame is split in 2. We have a front section and a rear section. We did this so it's much easier for the teams to transport the EViE when they can dismantle it and just easily transport it in an elevator. So that's the idea behind it. So soon we will see one of our welders how he actually welds together some of these sections, and then you can see the advanced skills of the Bufori welder.
Okay.
We're in a world nowadays where kids grow up with smartphones, they're experts at TikTok, they're experts at internet and all these things. But then they might never have used a tool. Yeah? They might not know how to replace a wheel or all these things that we from our generation take for granted. So I think it's very useful to address this, and this project actually fills all these voids, you know. So for the first time, kids will actually have a spanner in their hand and actually see how does the spanner fit on the nut, which way do I turn it, how do I use this tool or that tool or a screwdriver, for example. So all these things, they're going to be first-time discoveries for the students, and that's invaluable experience. And the teachers can accompany this process, they can oversee and guide them. So I think there's tremendous value in this. And it will help them also to discover, do I have a passion for engineering or not, at this stage of their life? And I think that's the most important part. if you know at that stage, actually, that's really fascinating. I want to be a mechanical engineer one day. That's where the passion starts, you know? You don't select a study because by default or because someone told you to do. Yeah? So that's, I think, the beauty of it.